Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to start a group chat in ChatGPT. Let's say you want to start a chat with your friends, with your family, with your colleagues. We are going to learn exactly how to do that. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to start a new chat. So you cannot start a group chat from this screen. You have to start the chat. Maybe you can say something, this is a new group chat or whatever. You start this chat. Then whether you are on desktop or mobile, you're going to click the three dots on the top right hand side on both desktop and mobile. And you are going to say start a group chat here or add members. And you are going to convert this to a group chat. So you are going to select start a group chat, and here you will be able to share this group link to your friends, family, colleagues, and so forth. So you're going to copy this link. You are going to share it to other people who have ChatGPT accounts. These other people will be able to go and click on this link and jump into the same ChatGPT group chat. Now, after you did this, you will always be able to come to ChatGPT, join your group chat from the left-hand side or find it in your mobile, and you will be able to click on invite with link, copy the link, share it with other people, and they will be able to jump in the same group chat in ChatGPT. So that's it. That's how easy it is to start a group chat in ChatGPT. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.